We are here very excited to be launching another version of the Nikon Coolpix. It's one of the coolest cameras. In fact, you know, it's a really funny thing. I was at the Taj Mahal just day before yesterday, one of these days, day before yesterday, and all these people were trying to take my pictures, and so many of them were the Nikon Coolpix. And I remember pointing it out saying, "Arey, arey, apna, arey, arey, arey," and all of them were new, and it was really exciting. So it's a really cool, colorful range for spring, summer, goes with outfits. That always works for me. And it's just glamorous and fun. So that's what we're here to launch. You know, more than adjectives, the way to describe a camera first, initially is very scary. You know, like my mom, till now, if I try and take a picture of her, she can't look into the camera. And it happens to most people. You know, when they say camera shy, and it used to happen to me, even now when my friends try and take pictures, unless I'm posing, I get extremely conscious. I'm always trying to pose for, get her to pose for pictures, but I'm a little naughty, so I try and take, I hate pictures of mine being taken when I'm sleeping, or if I'm eating and things like that. I'm very, very trigger happy. I'm always taking pictures, whether it's on the dining table, whether it's in the house, whether we go out. You'll always see me taking pictures. You know, एक बहुत funny चीज़ है, बोरियत मुझे होती नहीं है. बोरियत मुझे तब होती है जब शूटिंग पे तैयार होकर बैठ के वेट करना पड़ता है ना, जब शॉट नहीं रेडी हुआ या कुछ सेटअप चल रहा है या वेट करना पड़ता है. लेकिन उसके दौरान भी कुछ ना कुछ हमेशा चलता रहता है. कोई स्क्रिप्ट पढ़नी पड़ती है या कोई मीटिंग होती है. तो बोरियत एक ऐसी चीज है जो इस प्रोफेशन ने मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं दी है. I guess I'm blessed with a very high metabolic rate, जो thank God अभी तक कहीं गया नहीं है, and I hope रहे. लेकिन परिणीति जिम जाती है, उसको मैं ऐसे ऐसे करके भेजती हूँ जिम. मुझे hot pink best लगता है. Okay, there's one hot pink version which I have, और मुझे I like the fact that the camera has such pop colors कि अगर आप कुछ भी पहने, your camera will always stand out, and it's a style statement of sorts. I'm very fond of colors, as you can see. I went to Agra this time, so I had my big Nikon D90 with me, which somebody else was carrying because it's really heavy. But I also had my Coolpix with me, and so I took pictures. Basically, I was using this because, you know, there was so much crowd, and I didn't have time to, you know, do proper photography with my D90. But I use the Coolpix. But I had both of them. Whenever I go anywhere, I have both the cameras with me, just in case I feel like being a spontaneous photographer, which I am. Then I will take out my DSLR and, you know, take proper pictures and pretend that I'm one of these people, which I can't be. But otherwise, yeah, it's always a compact. Yes, Mimi मेरा बचपन का नाम रहा है. घर पे मुझे मिमी बुलाते हैं. And तो दूसरी बार, पहली बार मैंने कैमरा फेस किया था वो जब मैं पैदा हुई थी. मेरे पेरेंट्स की मैं फेवरेट, you know, I think म्यूज रही हूँ. इतने बेबी पिक्चर्स हैं मेरे, इतने बेबी पिक्चर्स है पोज करते हुए, डिफरेंट कपड़े पहनते हुए, कुछ ना कुछ. So because I was the first born, I've always had lots of photographs taken of me. I was about, I think he must have been about 12 or something, and मैं सो रही थी, बहुत टायर्ड थी, शूटिंग नई करनी शुरू हुई थी, and I came back home, and he took my father's shaving cream and made a goatee on my face, and I didn't realize it while I was sleeping. और मेरा मुंह खुला हुआ था, मैं काउच पे सो गई थी, and वो दाढ़ी के साथ बड़े सारे फोटोज लिए थे उसने मेरे. उसके बाद हमारी बहुत बड़ी लड़ाई हुई थी. With every film that you do, you make new memories in different kinds of films. In fact, I have a folder of pictures for every film that I do, because I take a lot of pictures backstage with my co-actors, with my directors. So I think from my first film to now, I have all kinds of pictures in my laptop. So if I was to say one really memorable film, Dostana was a really memorable film for me because it was Miami, my entire family was there and it was very picturesque and we had a great time. I think Agnipath as well. We did a lot of photography there, you know, that whole Ganpati song and the colors, and it was all really, really nice.